Hello, this is the online Introduction to High Performance Computing course. My name is Alex Razumov, and I'm a Training and Visualization Coordinator with WestGrid. You can download a copy of this slide from the link you can see here, bit.ly/intro HPC. When you open this link in your web browser, it will download a zip file, and you can unpack it to find a copy of the slides, as well as a directory codes with a number of scripts and codes inside. You will also need a secure shell SSH client to connect to a remote system. If you are on Linux or Mac, then usually you have an SSH client already pre-installed. And if you open a local terminal on your Linux or Mac machine, then you can type SSH followed by the name of the remote system that you want to connect to. If you're on Windows, there are a number of free SSH clients that you can download. We recommend MobiXterm, but there are a number of other ones. And then you also need a guest account. In this course, I'm going to distribute the guest accounts. So we will start this course with an overview of Compute Canada national systems. Then we'll jump into basic tools for cluster computing. We'll log in onto a training cluster. We will play with transferring files. We'll study the software environment and modules. Then I'll talk briefly about the Linux commands that you need to know in order to work productively on a computing cluster. And then we'll jump into the programming languages, compilers, and various parallel programming frameworks that we have installed in HPC. I'll talk in more detail about the compiler families we have. Then I'll dive into OpenMP, MPI, Chapel, Dusk. I will also talk about the Make build automation tool. Next, we'll jump into the Slurm scheduler. We'll learn why you need to use the scheduler on a cluster, how to submit serial jobs, how to submit shared memory jobs, how to submit distributed memory jobs, how to use GPUs, how to mix these various job types, and also how to work interactively with Slurm. We'll finish the course with a quick overview of the best practices, both in terms of computing and for working with the file system.